finally, after 5 hours of flight, 1 hour at immigration, like in the airport, 1 hour at the, what do you call that, bus depot, and from there 5 hours of drive with the cab, we are finally at Batumi. And today is our first day in Batumi, like in Georgia itself. Today is like 29th? No, 30th.
Yeah, 30th.
June 2024. And it's around what, 6 o'clock PM. And we have like plans to hit 4 points at the moment. That is your Europe Square,
And the
Pizza
climate
Square.
is too good, you know, afternoon, evening. So every time is like same.
Even the city itself is good.
Yeah, too
Really.
good.
You can
People
see
also
hardly anybody over here. The streets are so empty.
only cars.
Only cars parked. So now we have plans to visit, you know, Europe Square, Pizza Square, and that El Nino
And a dancing fountain.
and dancing on it. Let's see how many we can cover today. So let's go. Welcome to Georgia. If you see under every building, you will find some kind of shops everywhere. Most of them are food related shops, bakery, grocery, vegetable shops, barber, and the best thing is like you will find a lot of money exchange over here. In every
Everywhere,
street,
every corner,
every
yeah.
corner you can say that.
Yeah, you can see.
Yes, and they are like with no commission. What we noticed, like the price we got at the airport and the price we are getting outside, it's almost same. There is hardly any difference. Ooh, cool scooter. Chal ruk gayi. Hey, here we go. You see, so many shops, so many. Even clothes also. Oh, it is streets. It's one of a kind building over here. It's close to the Sheraton in Batumi. Wow. Architecture over here isn't of European style, it's more of a Soviet style, you can say that. So if you see at the building, more of simple plain, it doesn't have any curves like this, which is like more of a European style. So you can say they have an influence of Soviet country over here. Okay, finally, wow, we have reached the European Square on Italia. Ooh, that's nice. Wow, you can see the statue at the top. I don't know whose statue it is. The way it is been decorated, it's really beautiful.
This is called European Square.
This is what
And
they
the
call it
architecture,
European.
you know, you can see all the European kind of
Yeah.
buildings.
And look at that hotel. I think so. That's the hotel, right? Amazing. A lot of food options over here you can have. It's amazing. KFC too. So this is the first ride we have taken from the, what do you call that, European Square, and this is the street where you can find a lot of shops over here to buy. You have winery, you have Bata also over here. Wow, you can say it's like one-stop street instead of one-stop shop. Now we are heading to the Pizza Square. Coffee, anything wouldn't do. So finally we have reached the Pizza Square. Wow, look at the watch clock. This is it. Anything would do. Wow. This is the street right behind your Pizza Square, and now we are heading towards El Nino. The streets are so cozy, you can say that. It's so lively. Again, lot of options for eating. Lot of wine shop over here. You have bars, lot of alcohol shops. So this is how Georgian people enjoy their evening. Yes. It's like your dream street, you can say that. I've seen it on a lot of YouTube videos, but now when you feel it for yourself, it's a totally different experience. Hello. See, streets. Oh yeah. See. Look at the color of the building. It's totally different and it's very cute when you compare it with the surroundings. Oh, that's a Radisson Blu. That's a beautiful giant wheel. Ow! And that's your beautiful girl. Tangerine. And we are now at the main, what do you call that, spot of Batumi, you can say that. It's a beach road, which is like a marine drive of Batumi. If you see, Batumi is not about just the sea, it has the mountains also, if you can see that. So it's all about mountain and sea both. Wow. And if you I'm not sure whether it is noticeable from here or not, but the houses are very far from each other. They are not very close as we have in our country. So they have lot of empty spaces, you can say that, and a lot of big scope for expansion. So this is their port where they park their expensive yachts, boats. A lot of eating options you have here, mostly fruits. So finally we have the first glimpse of El Nino. It seems that meeting has happening. The meeting is happening. A meeting is happening, you can say that. So this is the view from your El Nino, behind El Nino. See, you have mountains, and look at the view. It's simply splendid, magnificent, you can say that. If you look at this El Nino, it's very small as compared to like the giant wheel. I thought it's very huge when I saw it on the other YouTube videos, but truly speaking, it's very small. I wish it would have been like 150-200 feet tall. That would be much better, but truly speaking, it's very small. You can see it as compared to the giant wheel. It's hardly noticeable. Like we cannot find out, one cannot see these from far end, like from the main road. Truly, it should have been like much taller. That would be much better. Hello. So this is day 2 of our trip in Batumi. Sorry, day 2 in Batumi.
Acha.
Yeah. So after like having a conversation with the locals, we came to know that there is a shopping bazaar over here for the clothes that is called Hopa Bazaar. So we are heading over there, and the best thing is like the weather is also in our favor. It's not at all sunny, and that bazaar is about 3.5 kilometers from our place, and we thought instead of taking a cab, let's take a walk. So I think walk is the best way to explore the city. So
Exactly.
we are walking at the moment, and this is the street. There are a lot of food options over here, and the beauty salons like nails.
It takes hardly 1.5 hours to cover, Grand Mall and the Hopa Bazaar.
Yeah.
So you see there are a lot of food. The climate is too good today.
Food shop over here.
Yeah.
Right. So let's see.
See the traffic over
Alex.
here.
Yeah.
Now the time is
No.
2:41. Sorry, 12:41.
So let's see and explore the streets of Batumi. See, we have a lot of pharmacies over here, a lot of nail salons. Like in Cambodia, Thailand, you have a lot of massage parlors. Over here, you will find a lot of manicure and pedicure. And the other best thing is like you have grocery shops everywhere, and everything is fresh over here. Every kind of vegetable, even the bakery is like too fresh. You see, these are the kind of stalls they have everywhere with fresh fruits, fresh everything is fresh over here. And you will find it everywhere in Batumi. It's not on just one place. On every fucking street you will find this kind of vegetable shops. You see, even the pigeons are not flying. They are not scared of us. They just walk in. This is the shop where you can find hookah and like vape. So let's go and check out. All the vapes. below 100. 150. This is the beach, Batumi. The beach side. That's the aqua park, water park. That's the Grand Mall. This is Grand Gloria Hotel. This beach doesn't have any sand, it has stones. That's a major difference between this Batumi beach and other beaches. This is your famous Nuri Lake, close to the beach. And good place for a walk too. So this is your Hoppa market. I get so famous market for bulk shopping and cheap products. Clothes, outfits, beauty products, masalas, everything. And jackets, track pants. Check here.